How to change email on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can change email on Facebook. So to begin with, open up your Facebook application. So after that, tap on the tab bar icon from the top right hand side corner. Once you tap on the tab bar icon underneath, click on the gear icon. After that, it's going to direct you to settings and privacy page. Right over here, scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see audience and visibility. Under this section, go ahead and tap on profile details. Once you tap on profile details, you'll be able to see all sort of information. Now scroll down a bit and go to contact info. After that, you'll be able to see whether you've added a phone number or email address. If you've added the email address, tap on the edit button located right in the corner. Now you'll be able to change your information. Once you've done that, you'll be asked to provide in your password associated with your Facebook, and that's basically how you can change email on Facebook. Sometimes you might also be logged out of all the devices that you're currently logged in because you have made changes with your account information. So once again, you'll need to log in, and that's basically how you can change email on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.